How to get a pet on Snapchat, add pet to your Bitmoji. Hello everyone, with the newest update of Snapchat, you can now go ahead and add your own pet on your Bitmoji. To do this, you simply want to update the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on the device that you are using. And right after, let's now go ahead and head over to the Snapchat application. And once inside, you want to proceed by clicking on your profile icon. From here, in order to add your own pet, you actually need to avail the Snapchat Plus option. It is the exclusive experimental and pre-released features. In here, you can then go ahead and see a feature called Pets in Chat. Show off your pets when you're present in chat. You can just go ahead and avail their Snapchat Plus right here, and you will be able to add pets on your Bitmoji. Click on the hanger icon, and inside you can then go ahead and see a pet category right here. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.